I'm out here helping Mr. Capsalis with his kids, doing a little camp for mites and squirts, and then peewees and phantoms.
Good.
At West, working with kids on the ice, developing them, and it's always fun. Kids are a blast to work with. It was a great experience. Dream job. Awesome. Just a lot of fun. The players, the staff, the coaches, everyone in the organization was great to be around. Obviously, pros and future pros. It's you're working with people that love the game. It's really no different there. They're there for a reason. They want it. They're very competitive. They want to win. It's the business of winning, and these guys take what they do very seriously. Just have fun, enjoy it. If you get burnt out, take some time off, but work hard. And it's a process. It's not something you get good at overnight. You got to work at it. Anyone wants to learn, anyone can